Okay, so we're about to do the Hungarian algorithm. So just so you know, what we have here is we have 4 swimming strokes and a team of medley swimmers. What we need to make is the fastest team possible. So what we need to do is we need to minimize this algorithm. So I'm just going to write the word minimize. Okay, now we're going to get started. So I need to straight away, first thing I need to identify is the lowest value in each row. So instead of drawing this whole one first up, I'm just going to identify the lowest value. So here 52 in the first row, second row we have 49, next row we have 51, and the next row we have 48. So I'm just going to identify, so this is step 1, take 52 from take 49, take 51 and take 48. So that's step 1. Step 2, so we first of all have to actually do that. So 52 take 56, so we're going to have 4, 7, 0, 1. Next one, we're going to have 13, and then we're going to have 18, and we're going to have 10, and then we're going to have 0. Next one is 4, 13, 7, and 0. Then we have 10, we have 12, we have 6, and we have 0. That's the whole first step done. Second step. Now we have to do, in each column, subtract the minimum value. Okay, so now I have to identify each column. So the first column we have 4, second column we have 7. Well, we have zeros in the next two, so we don't have to take anything away from those. So that's just take 4 and take 7. So let's go from here. So we have 0, 9, 0, and 6. And the next one is 0, 11, 6, and 5. Now we have these stay the same, so 0, 10, 7, and 6. And this one stays the same as well, so 1, 0, 0, and 0. Okay, so that was step 2. Step 3 says, now we need to cover the zeros with a minimum number of lines, so horizontal or vertical lines. So what I'm going to do, I can see there's 3 there, I can see there's 3 there, I can see there's one more. It doesn't matter which way I go, so I might just go here. I could have gone here as well, it makes no difference, so I'll just go there. That's no real reason beyond that. So because I actually have less than 4, because it's a 4 by 4 matrix, because I have a 4 by 4 and I only have 3 lines, I have to do step 4. If I had 4 lines, I could go on to a final solution. This just means I don't have a 0 in every row and column, which I need. So what I need to do is I need to identify my lowest number, which is uncovered, and that is 5. So this number needs to be taken from all the uncovered numbers. So all the uncovered numbers, that needs to be taken from. So I'll highlight all my uncovered numbers. And it also needs to be added to all the numbers at a vertex point. So that's a plus, that's a vertex point, and that's a vertex point. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to complete the next step. So all the lines over numbers, we don't change them. So we have 0, 0, 0. And that's going to be a 6. Then we have 9 take 5, 4, 11 take 5. Oops, that's bad. Yeah, I was right the first time. 10 take 5, and then 0. And then 0, 6, 7, and then we add 5, and then take 5. Okay. So now, so that was step 3. And this is step 4/5. So what we have to do now is we have to select a 0 in each. So what I'm going to notice first of all, this one here is the only 0 in this row. So I'm selecting that one. Because I've selected that one, that eliminates that one. So if I just do a little cross over that one, which means that now we must choose this 0. Okay, so now that we've chosen this 0, this eliminates this one from being chosen, which means we have to choose this one. And then we can see that we have to choose that one as well. So what does this mean in terms of the swimming team? So this goes back to the original matrix up the top there. I'm just going to erase this, and so what we're going to see is 3 down, bottom one, top, and here. So now we've got to translate that into a final answer. So therefore we have, for backstroke, backstroke is going to be C, the person C, and it's going to take 55 seconds. And then we're going to have the next one is breaststroke. Breaststroke is going to be person D, and that takes 60 seconds. The next one is butterfly. Butterfly is going to be person A, and that takes 52 seconds. And the next one is freestyle, and that's going to be person B, and that takes 49 seconds. So now we need to add them up to get a total. So I'm going to do the traditional method of adding columns. So the first column, we got 9 and 2 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. Carry the 1. And then we've got here 6 and 4 is 10. 10 and 10 is 20 plus 1 is 30. 306 seconds is the fastest this team could be. That's the best team option. Final solution.